Yes, we're talking about eBay local pickup. So what does that mean? So if you sell on eBay, there's a couple different ways of shipping. You can ship regular UPS, you can ship the post office, you can ship FedEx, you can ship all different ways. But there's a really cool new way, and it's been out there for a little bit, but now it's really refined. It's called local pickup. So what does that mean to you? So basically you can add that as an option to one of your listings. And you can say, I will locally meet you somewhere, and you can actually pick it up. So you have no shipping whatsoever, no aggravation, no damaged products, no nothing. You deliver it and you get paid. And we're going to show you step by step how that works and how easy it is to get paid. Really, really simple. And then a couple of times I wanted to make a video and just show you exactly how this works. It's really super simple. So here's an item here that's online, and you can see here they have an option. They offer free local pickup, or you can have it shipped. So if you're local, why would you spend $90 in shipping if you can have it picked up for free? And that's really cool. So when you go and you buy the item, it'll come up as local pickup. You click on that option, and that customer now has that in the queue for local pickup. So what's the next step after that? I'm going to show you how to do that right now. So once the customer picks up the item, everything is confirmed. So now on your app, it'll say right here, scan to confirm pickup. So what that means is once you open your app, you're going to look at your item and look under sold, and you're going to see this pop up. Okay, so leave feedback. This is going to say scan to confirm pickup. So what that means is the buyer has on their phone basically a QR code that's going to confirm the pickup. So all you have to do is take your phone and scan their phone, because you have the scanner, they have the QR code, and once you do that, it'll come up as confirmed pickup. That's all you have to do. It's really, really simple. So let's go over that one more time. So all you have to do is get your phone, pick it up, scan their QR code, and you're going to see an example here in 1 second. I'm going to show you. It says item picked up. That's all you have to do. Once you're done, say thank you very much. Great to see you. Don't forget to leave me feedback, and you're all done. And that's as simple as that. Really super simple. So hey guys, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I want to make this really quick and really short and simple just to show you exactly how this is done step by step. It is super, super easy. So please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. It does help support my channel so I can continue helping you. I do appreciate that as always. Hey, and I'll see you at the next review. And don't forget to like this as well. Leave some comments down below. Tell me if you think this was helpful. That helps me too. So I appreciate that as well. Okay guys, till the next one.